Hey guys, we have another episode today. Today what I'm gonna be doing, I'm just gonna test some things out with my chip. That's a $9 SBC single board computer. So last year I did a little project where I had a camera um, and chip looking over my flower pot and taking pictures daily, and then posting those pictures on Twitter. But I disconnected the chip for like a couple months, maybe 6 months or something like that. And then when I plugged it back in, it wouldn't boot, so I had to flash it, so everything was gone on it. Fortunately, I still have a code. So and I never did like a proper video about it or like any documentation, so just gonna have to rebuild it and start from scratch. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna connect to my chip. I'm using PuTTY. I'll leave the link in the description. That's basically the way you can SSH into your chip. I already have the IP address set for it, and hopefully it's online. So I'm just gonna connect to it. For the chip, the default user is chip, and the password is chip as well. And I'm in right now. Let's just check the USB devices that are connected right now. I'm gonna use a command ls usb. Yeah, there are devices connected to it. So right here, I got an article from a Raspberry Pi Foundation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a fswebcam package to just grab an image from it and just test it out how it works. Alright, and now and we got the program installed, so let's just test it out. Okay, so okay, that went through just fine. Awesome. Let's see what we got. We got the image here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use bin.scp tool to transfer that file to my desktop. Just gonna connect to it. And see what the thing captured. So we get this here. Oh, okay. To the desktop. Alright. So I'm just gonna transfer that file. Okay. And we get an image. Alright, awesome. So that thing works for sure. That's a good sign. Yeah, we can specify the image size. Oh, that image doesn't look very sharp at all, but it doesn't matter. It's important that it works. So yeah, so this little tool just help us out, create an image and grab it from the chip itself. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll continue this project and show you how I build the script that basically tweets images of the plant. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, like it. If you didn't, dislike it. And that's about it. Take care. Bye bye.